Okay, here's what you need for the Archie table. Just a few pieces real quick. So you have marks on the underside of the table, and we're going to go ahead and put glue on the ends of this piece, the one that is together. We'll start with that one. Just put glue on the ends. Go ahead and place that down here like this on the marks. Then you're going to go ahead and put a little glue on this one, but you're going to put it on the top and in the middle. And you just go ahead and put the top in there, and there's a mark for this side so that it'll be exact. So that one has a little mark to help you. You want to double check it at this point and make sure that you've put all of that part together. And then you may want to wait a little bit. Okay, I waited to do that just so that it wasn't wobbly for when I put the last piece on, because the last one doesn't have a mark here in the middle. So I need to be able to rely upon lining up with this side. And so I'm just going to go ahead and put the glue on the ends and in the middle and line it up. And this time I just need to look at this one and make them match. So when that is dry, you'll be all good to go. Thanks so much for your purchase.